Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best large dog fence is probably one of the most crucial investments a large dog owner can make, ensuring your beloved canine companion stays safely within your property boundaries while enjoying the freedom to roam and play without the risk of wandering off into dangerous situations or bothering neighbors. A reliable containment system not only provides peace of mind for you but also contributes to your dog's overall well-being by offering a secure and predictable environment where they can exercise and explore without constant supervision, ultimately strengthening the bond between you and your furry friend through shared outdoor experiences. Number 5. PetMaker Puppy Playpen. Create a spacious and secure play area for your beloved pets. It's a great alternative to traditional fences, perfect for puppies, kittens, and other small animals up to 25 pounds. Features a convenient step-through door for effortless entry and exit without needing to lift your pet. The swinging gate is secured with dual latches for peace of mind. Crafted from heavy-gauge wire with a black satin finish, it's built to last and withstand the elements. Include stakes for secure outdoor placement. Its foldable design allows for multiple configurations and easy setup. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage or travel. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, providing a safe space for your pets to play and explore. Suitable for pets under 25 pounds. Assembly is a breeze with included thumb snaps and ground stakes. You can quickly set up a safe enclosure for your furry friends. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you need a flexible and portable enclosure. Its step-through door makes it incredibly easy to get your pet in and out without lifting. If you're looking for a temporary or adaptable space for smaller pets, especially for travel or different areas of your home, this is a great choice. What people say. The fence is sturdy and tall enough to keep my large dog contained. Easy to assemble and looks great in the yard. The gate is wide enough for my wheelbarrow and opens smoothly. Number 4. PetSafe Wireless Pet Containment System. Give your dog the freedom to roam safely in your yard. This system creates a wireless boundary up to half an acre, with no digging required. Setup is quick and easy, taking just 1 to 2 hours. Our system offers 5 adjustable correction levels, including a tone-only mode for gentle training. It also features static-free re-entry, ensuring a positive training experience tailored to your dog's needs. The lightweight, waterproof collar is designed for comfort and adjustability. It fits dogs over 6 months old and weighing at least 8 pounds, with neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. The replaceable battery in the collar lasts up to 2 months, providing reliable containment. You can trust it to keep your pet safe and secure. Recommended by vets and trainers, our solutions are designed with your pet's well-being in mind. We are dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets and their families. For over 25 years, we've been committed to developing safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance the lives of pets and strengthen the bond they share with their families. What we like. Consider this if you want to give your dog a large, safe area to roam without the hassle of wires. It's perfect for larger yards and offers adjustable training levels to suit your dog's temperament. If you're looking for a quick setup and a wireless solution for a decent-sized property, this is a strong contender. What people say. It ended up providing a pretty good area for the dog to enjoy and gave him additional freedoms that I couldn't accomplish with a wired system. The first time he heard the collar alarm sound, he did associate it with no and stopped in his tracks. He knows what flags meant, which I have since taken down. He knows what the alarm on the collar means, and he knows where he's allowed to go. It's like he's on an invisible leash now. Number 3. BestPet 32-inch 16-panel heavy-duty metal dog playpen. Give your furry friends a secure and spacious place to play. This versatile pen is perfect for keeping them safe and active, whether they're indoors or enjoying the outdoors. Crafted from heavy-duty iron with a rust-resistant finish, this fence is built to last. It provides a strong and secure enclosure for your pets, suitable for any environment. Setting up is a breeze with no tools required. You can easily shape it into various configurations like a square, rectangle, or octagon to fit your space. Need more space? Simply connect additional panels to expand the play area. You can create a larger playpen, a dog run, or even use them as replacements for existing sections. This playpen is perfect for any occasion. Use it as an indoor play area, an outdoor enclosure, or even a secure spot for your pet while RV camping. It's lightweight and travel ready. What we like. This is an excellent choice if you need a durable and customizable play area. The tool-free setup and expandable design mean you can easily adjust the size and shape as needed. If you like the idea of building a secure space that can grow with your needs or be reconfigured often, this is the one for you. What people say. Very sturdy. Easy to put together. The playpen is very adjustable, so you can use it as a traditional playpen or as a barrier to block off certain spaces. It also works great outdoors, and it's simple to set up and reposition. The metal is heavy-duty and holds up well outside in all kinds of weather, and the stakes go into the ground easily to keep it secure. I also like that it's expandable, so I can adjust the size if needed. Number 2. PetSafe Stay and Play Compact Wireless Fence. Give your dog the freedom to roam safely in your yard. Our wireless system creates a secure play area without the need for digging or burying wires. Enjoy up to 3/4 of an acre of circular coverage, giving your pet ample room to explore. The boundary range is easily adjustable from the indoor transmitter. Forget the hassle of burying wires. This system sets up in just a few hours, providing a secure barrier for your pet's safety. With 5 adjustable correction levels and a tone-only mode, you can find the perfect setting for each of your pets. Additional collars can be added for the whole family. The included collar is waterproof and rechargeable, designed for comfort and a secure fit for dogs 5 pounds and up. It adjusts to fit neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches. Planning a trip. This portable system is perfect for camping, vacation homes, or any travel destination where you have access to an outlet. Unlike other systems, this one allows your pet to return home safely without correction. It gently guides them back to their designated play area. What we like. This system is ideal if you need a larger wireless containment area and prefer a rechargeable collar. Its portability makes it great for vacation homes or camping trips. If you're looking for a no-dig solution that offers a wider range and the convenience of a rechargeable unit, this is a top pick. What people say. This is the first wireless fence we purchased, and it will be the only kind we purchase if we have to replace it. I love the fact that this unit is wireless and there are no underground wires or anything like that. Setup was simple and took about 45 minutes to an hour outlining the perimeter with the flags. Make sure you are at the dog's neck level when you set up the flags so they will get the correct reading. As of this review, we have been using this item for a little over 2 months with fantastic results. Sometimes when we get home and are in a hurry to get them out the door, we forget to put their shock collars on, but they seem to have memorized their boundaries because they have not yet went past their perimeter with or without the collars on since the last shock incident. Number 1. Heavy-duty folding dog playpen. Introducing our heavy-duty dog playpen, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It's a reliable and portable solution to keep your pet safe and entertained. Featuring an anti-rust design and sharp posts with extensions, setting up this fence is quick and ensures it stays firmly in place. Choose from 24, 32, or 40-inch heights to perfectly suit small, medium, and large dogs. It adapts to your pet's needs. Whether indoors or outdoors, this playpen is ideal. Use it as a puppy playpen, a secure outdoor dog fence, or even for RV camping. For indoor use, we recommend a proper pet pad. This will help protect your floors and minimize any noise from friction. This functional playpen comes in a sleek silver color, blending seamlessly with your home or outdoor environment. What we like. This is a great option if you need a sturdy and versatile fence that can accommodate different dog sizes. The availability of multiple heights and the inclusion of stakes for outdoor security are key benefits. If you're looking for a robust, adaptable enclosure for various scenarios, from indoor play to outdoor containment, this is a solid choice. What people say. Easy to put together and reconfigure as needed. The size worked well for my litter of puppies. I could move things around as needed. It kept them safe while they were growing. Excellent panels when you need a somewhat supervised containment area and do not have a full yard fence. The panels are quite sturdy when you use a circular or octagon shape, but you may need some peace of mind reinforcement if doing longer straight line runs. The stakes on this pen are excellent since they have the ball top and rod design versus flimsy coat hanger wire some of the pen panels provide. definitely does the job, and I like the versatility of being able to create a shape that is useful in my space, rather than having to build only a square or rectangle. It is extremely easy and fast to put together, and you won't need help to do that. This makes it very easy to also change the layout quickly if need arises. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.